Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best kayaks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Challenger K1 series. Intex is no stranger to the inflatable components space, which is perhaps why their Challenger K1 series kayak is a hit among thousands of outdoor lovers. It is built from laminate vinyl that's been welded together to allow the kayak to hold its shape. The rugged I-beam floor allows the boat to remain rigid and sturdy, making it ideal for heavier kayakers. The K1 integrates a large inflatable seat that's designed to offer maximum comfort for a truly superior kayaking experience. You can even adjust the angle of the backrest to get the desired amount of support for long days spent out on the water. It is designed with a front cargo area which comes in handy for storing shoes, boating accessories, and anything else you want to be kept within reach for easy access. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100. As far as fishing kayaks go, it doesn't get any better than the Lifetime Tamarack Angler 100. It is made of molded UV-protected high-density polyethylene, mounted on a sturdy flat bottom with deep tracking channels ingrained into the hull. Its hull design, wide beam, and chine rail all ensure that it remains stable when gliding on the water, even in rough conditions. This minimizes the risk of toppling over while on your fishing expedition. It comes with 3 built-in fishing rod holders, one of which is adjustable and capable of swiveling 360 degrees. The other 2 are flush-mounted behind the seat. At number 3, we have the Intex Excursion 4. Whether you're looking for an affordable kayak for some father-son bonding time while fishing out on the lake, or just want to spend a relaxing afternoon with friends floating on the water, the Intex Excursion 4 Inflatable might just be what the doctor ordered. It is versatile, lightweight, and compact, making it ideal for weekend getaways, fishing excursions, or camping trips with friends. It is made from puncture-resistant, heavy-duty PVC vinyl that's 3 layers thick. The inner layer is made of meshed polyester while the 2 outer layers are made from PVC. It is not only durable, but its inflatable backrests and I-beam floor also make it extremely comfortable to use. This kayak can comfortably accommodate 4 people for animal and bird spotting adventures, picnics, fishing, and downriver cruises. At number 2, we have the Dagger Mamba 8.6. If you plan to paddle on whitewater, then you're going to love what the Dagger Mamba 8.6 has to offer. It is specially designed with a high-volume planing hull that makes it ideal for paddling on whitewater that's over Class 3. It is sturdy and can accommodate heavier paddlers who weigh in at up to 200 pounds. It has a soft stern edge that's rounded out to allow a kayaker to make last-minute adjustments in rapid water. Overall, the Mamba exhibits excellent performance, which is especially noticeable when you drive through wave trains. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sun Dolphin Aruba 10-foot. Next up is the highly popular Sun Dolphin Aruba 10-foot sit-in kayak. Unlike the inflatable variety we've explored so far, the Aruba vessel has a hard shell exterior that's made from very durable UV-stabilized Fortiflex high-density polyethylene. It is built to withstand all the bumps and knocks that come with kayaking in whitewater. But don't let its hard exterior fool you. It is very lightweight, weighing in at a measly 40 pounds. One of its most endearing qualities is the dry compartment it comes with. It is ideal for storing valuables that you want to keep dry. The fact that it is also affordably priced is a definite plus as well. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.